We will start with a slip knot. Chain 4 and slip stitch in the first chain. Chain of 3 and add 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Chain of 2 and 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Chain 2, 1 2 and 3, and then you can pull the tail of the yarn, chain of 2, 1 2, and then we will slip stitch in the third chain. Slip stitch, make a chain and cut the yarn. Now this is the front and this is the back. We will slip stitch the yarn or change the color and make a chain of 3, 3 and 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the space, 1 2 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same space, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the space, chain 2 and add 3 double crochet in the same space, chain 1 and 3 double crochet, chain 2 and add 3 double crochet in the same space, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next space, and chain of 2 and then slip stitch in the third chain, 1 2 3, slip stitch, make a chain and cut the yarn, and hide the tail inside the stitches. As you go on to your next color, hide the tail, this, and now let's proceed to our next color. We will just do the same thing. We will chain of 3 and then add 2 double crochet in the same space, 1 2, chain 1 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And in the corner of the square you will do a 3 double crochet, 2, 3, chain of 2, and one more 3 double crochet in the same space, and then chain 1 and 3 double crochet, and then in the corner of this square you just need to do a 3 double crochet, chain of 2, and 3 double crochet in the same space.